So today, myself and a bunch of other mentors from NATO countries flew here from Odessa on an Mi-8 utility helicopter. We landed here in Mykolaiv and had a quick tour of the airfield. Afterwards, we saw a demonstration of a bunch of Ukrainian aircraft flying around, and we saw some paradrops and search and rescue capabilities as well. Following that, we had a tour of the various aircraft types that they have here in Mykolaiv. We were introduced to all their various capabilities. So we're here on Exercise Seabreeze 21 to build the capacity of Ukraine, the United States, NATO countries, and other NATO peace partners to work together in the Black Sea region in order to build strength and assure security in the event of any future conflicts.